We have a real firecracker right here. This is a 1968 Camaro with a big block under the hood, and it's built. Wait till you hear it run later in the video. It has the Rally Sport package. It has a Super Sport package on it. Uh, Console, gauges, tachometer, deluxe wheel, power steering, power disc brakes. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Camaro right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. It's also been body off frame restored. It's in really nice shape. That's what drew me to the car originally, is at a show in North Carolina, and it was the condition. And then once I seen how nice it was, then I, had to buy it. Anyway, it's got the SS hood with the ice cube trays. They look like new. The hood fits real nice, all straight, all clean, all lines up good. The fender looks fantastic, smooth and clean all the way, even underneath, not even dirty. Door shuts real nice. Jams are painted real nice. Straight, clean, no bubbles, no issues. All this is nice right around the wheel well. All clean, nice crisp lines. All this is looking really good. It has front and rear spoilers. All clean, all straight, all looking real nice. Yeah, nice lines, clean. Look at underneath here. Not even dirty. All nice, clean, smooth lines. Door sticks out a little bit on the bottom there. Jams are real nice. Yeah, that can be pulled in a little bit, the striker. Make that line up and close a little nicer. We'll do that. So the bottom of the door is clean. I don't see door dents. All straight, all clean. Butternut yellow, polished very smooth. I mean, I can see reflection in it like a mirror. So the paint's really nice. Stripes painted on correctly. A lot of people mess that up. It is a real super sport, or rally sport, I mean. It has the hideaway lights. It has bumper guards. That was an option. Everything up here looks very nice. The 396 emblems, the marker lights, the moldings, all looking really good. Again, the stripes painted on real nice. The Camaro SS emblems are sparkling. It has 15-inch polished torque thrust wheels in really nice shape. The Rally Sport includes this extra molding on top of the door to dress it up. That's all shiny and straight. Optional vinyl top is in excellent shape. Original rear glass looks very good. It has some light scratches. Windshield looks very good. Couple little light scratches. Dual mirrors, they look like they're new. Marker lights and bumper. Back here looks like it's all been replaced. Has the optional bumper guards. Has the blacked out SS panel and the SS cap. See, Rally Sports have the reverse lights mounted down here instead of in the tail light. So that, I think, sums up the exterior of the car. It's got a nice stance. Clean, straight body, sparkling chrome. It's looking really good so far. Let's see if the inside's just as good. All right, I see a nice clean trunk here. Look at that, under the trunk lid, painted real nicely. So is the jam. Weather strip is replaced. Inside, all solid. Spatter painted very nicely. Has a real nice fitting mat. There's a spare. So nice, clean, good-looking trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. The weather strips are replaced. Jams look nice. Looks like a reproduction interior. The door panels, armrests, cushions, window cranks, that all looks new and fits real nice. The dash pad has been replaced. And then look how everything is sparkly. The vents, the knobs, all nice, clean looking gauges. Factory tick-tock tachometer. You have the clock in the middle, which actually is ticking, and the tachometer around the outside of it. Heater control panel, and this whole center piece looks real nice. It has a Chevy retro stereo with some good size 6x9s in the back. All painted nice, clean, tidy. Looks like the knob here is broke off, the plastic knob for the vent. But nice clean panel. The light works. The carpet's in real nice shape. So it has a new center console. It has some aftermarket custom gauges in there. But all this looks fresh as the horseshoe shifter. The original seat belts. The light works at the back of the console. Seats have been reupholstered. All the trim looks real nice. Carpets look real nice. Again, you got all the original seat belts. Back seat, side panels reupholstered. New window cranks. Now the rear window trim's all real nice. I said it's got some big speakers, but it has the factory style grills. But if you look from in the trunk, they're big 6x9s. Sail panels, all nice and tight, not wrinkled. The whole headliner is actually exceptionally nice. Got working dome light. Got real nice visors and mirror. It has this deluxe wood grained steering wheel. So very clean, very nice condition inside. Pretty well equipped. And just ready for some cruising. So it is a 1969 Camaro motor, so it's not a numbers matching car, but it is a Camaro motor, and it is built. You'll hear it in a minute. And it has an aluminum intake that looks like it's been maybe powder coated. A dual feed Holley carb. It has an MSD ignition system back there. And it has a set of long tube headers. It's got the big block heater hoses. The small blocks were over there. But look how nice the firewall and everything's painted, all real nice. It's got some extra chrome, the supports, the valve covers, air cleaner. All of the metals painted real nice. The shroud and radiator look real clean. Fuel pump looks new. The motor looks very fresh, even from underneath. All the nuts, the bolts, the gaskets, everything is fresh. Got some aluminum pulleys. We got a chrome alternator, chrome bracket. All this here is for the hideaway headlights. That's the vacuum that opens and closes them. Squirters are hooked up. Got power brakes. Wiper motor was replaced at one time. Under the hood has the insulation. So you got a strong running big block with power steering, power brakes. Michael's going to demonstrate that for you, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Got a really sweet Camaro to drive here today. RSSS with a 396 under the hood. Automatic transmission. Make for a nice, easy cruising experience for whoever wants to get behind the wheel. Also got power steering and power disc brakes on this one. Really nice sounding exhaust. Seems like a very sound build all the way around. See how the suspension's handling all these bumps and cracks in the road. I don't hear any squeaks or rattling in the suspension. Just fantastic. Get in, turn the key, and cruise here. Sounds really great at idle too. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're up to 60 miles an hour. No shortage of power here, that's for sure. What a strong runner. Nice big engine and this little nimble car. What a fun time. See how it goes down the road. Really nice straight alignment on this one too. She is dialed in and ready to rock, let me tell you. Can only encourage you to go on our website and check out all the specifics of this car and you want to take it the next step, go ahead and contact our sales department. Joey or Eric would be more than happy to answer any questions you may have or arrange a test drive for you. You're always more than welcome here.
So like I said, it's body off frame. It is a subframe up front. You can see the new bushings. It's all clean and painted. The steering and suspension looks like that's been gone through. Now they've welded frame connectors from the front to the back that keeps these Camaros from twisting, makes it handle better. Has air shocks in the back. Disc brakes in front, drum in back, e-brakes hooked up. Fuel system looks like that was replaced. It has a nice dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, goes all the way up the back. And again, when you look up at the motor, it looks brand new. The oil pan is painted smooth and glossy, and the freeze plugs, everything looks spotless. It is a turbo 400. That's the heavy-duty transmission. It has an aluminum pan on it and a 10-bolt rear end and back with a chrome cover. Floors look to be solid. So yeah, you got a really nicely restored Camaro with some nice features on it. It runs strong. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer questions like how to get your Camaro delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help you with that too. Thanks for watching.